Hi, my fellow beauty boffins. Let's discover how Brainy Beauty can elevate your day-to-day life. Benefit number 1. Brainy Beauty improves focus. A lot of people battle with brain fog, attention, and being able to focus on one thing at a time. Brainy Beauty helps to sharpen your focus and keep you attentive to the task at hand. Brilliant to take before studying, presenting, or even just starting a day filled with a heavy workload. Benefit number 2. Enhances your memory. The specialized ingredients in Brainy Beauty work together to enhance brain cellular energy, performance, and function. Your memory will start to improve and verbal recall becomes more profound. Benefit number 3. Helps to elevate your mood. Worry and anxiety plague our lives and is the top medicated problem in the world today. Brainy Beauty helps to promote a sense of well-being, calmness, and a feeling that everything is going to be okay. With Brainy Beauty, you get a feeling that you can easily cope with life's curveballs and the pressure of day-to-day stresses.